Okay, so I just got my package. I just got my package for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Excuse the mess. It's a mess. It's gonna get in order. I'm filming this on a Samsung, ironically. But I'm really excited because my phone is here. I'm like probably too excited, yeah. I got a little setup going on and we're gonna get started with the unboxing. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, which it probably is, my name is Tyron Mathis and I upload to be determined, but stay tuned. And ran downstairs and got my phone. I brought my social security and my freaking my ID. Like I was ready. I was ready. Like he was like, "Dang, you got both. Okay, okay. Nah, I don't need all that." But here it is. Is this gonna be a one-handed unboxing? Seems like it. Okay. Shoot, there was a whole kerfuffle with getting this delivery, but it's here now. I'm happy. I'm gonna go get a knife from the kitchen. Okay, welcome back. So while I was getting the knife to cut open this, I totally just fudged my TV. It's old. It's fine. I bumped into it and it fell. And this is a one-handed unboxing. Okay, yeah, my solution was to hold it open with my mouth, honestly, so that's what happened. So, stuff comes in the box, packing slip, information, this stuff. I've actually never ordered an iPhone, like, I've always picked them up. So here's how it comes. Just with like, it says iPhone 15 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California. Big old box, haven't had one this big. Ooh, actually, let me just check my phone, make sure I'm backed up, because that would suck if I'm not backed up. Okay, well, I didn't really check, but let's hope I am. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, because you can see my feet. I'm probably not gonna cut much from this video, to be honest, because I'm lazy and I don't like editing. Okay, I got the, what color did I get? Natural titanium. Oh my, it's so good. Oh. That means it's like, this is beautiful. Holy God. If you can't, like, the beauty is indescribable. Looks so much better in person. But like, oh my, I'm such an Apple fanboy. I can't deny it. Okay, so I did think it looked a bit warm, like a little bit like gold, on like online, and I still can kind of see that, but it's definitely more gray. Like it's very gray, and this is a very nice gray. Like this is the best gray, silver, whatever you want to call it. And it is so light. Like that's the first thing I noticed when I picked it up. Like it's definitely heavier than my 13, but it's pretty light. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna give you some ASMR. Nice. I'm gonna ASMR this unboxing the rest of the way. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Gonna turn that on. Oh, Apple logo. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Classic. Just one sticker though. Cheaping out on us. And oh yeah, so this year's cable is actually braided, which is a nice addition. It's like, is this white? I feel like it's a little grayish. I feel like it's a little gray. Like just a little. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be white though. Okay. So, oh, that promotion display. I can already see. Oh, that's nice. So promotion display, if you don't know, is basically like it has a variable refresh rate between typical 60 hertz and up to 120 hertz. And it basically just makes the animations look way better and gaming look way better. Oh, this is comfortable to hold. I see what they were saying. This is, wow. Oh, I see what they're saying. So look at the edges. See how it like kind of like just blends in. Even the front does it, which is hard to see because it's black, but wow. Yeah, definitely want the small. Quick start. Continue. Sorry, let me just clean this up. Okay. Continue. Okay. I mean, I feel like you guys know this stuff already, but I'm gonna just go through the whole process because I'm honestly, the less editing I can do, the better. I'm just gonna pause. Thing set up for me. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So here's the size comparison. Every time I picked up somebody's phone who had the Pro, like the Pro Max, the size, I just, look, you can see my hands. I have some big hands. There was a deal going on right now, and I could not pass up that deal. Also, my dad just really wanted as many kids off his plan as possible, so I'm now his favorite son. Because of it. Less money for him to pay. Okay, updating. Oh, not unfortunately have any accessories. Unfortunately, so much stuff was actually sold out very quickly. So, unfortunately, I have no accessories. I am going to be freeballing my iPhone. There's no chance I'm breaking my phone. There's no chance. Like, I had to wait 3 days for this. I have no patience. That's a long time. Okay, but this was my iPhone unboxing. I'll do another video on the setup, and so thank you for watching.